are you ready? We are going to start by making an arc for the bunny hat, okay? Your turn. Cool. So now let's make a curve like this, okay? Got it? Let's make another curve inside it, okay? Good job! Alright, and now we're going to make another curve underneath it. Okay, so now let's make the head of the bunny. Okay, we're going to start by making a curve like this. Let's do the other side. Cool! So now we are going to make the bunny's ear, okay? So it will be a long curve like this. Got it? Okay, now let's make the inside part of the ear, okay? Now let's do the other ear. And the inside part. Alright, I think it's starting to look good. Now before we start on the face, let's finish off the hat. Okay, we're going to make a curve on the left and right of the head. Yep, just like that. And the other side. Alright. Now we can start on the face. Let's make two big circles as the eyes. And now we can draw two smaller circles inside each eye as the highlights. And let's color that in. Okay, now let's add an upside down triangle for the nose. And now let's add the mouth. Alright, I'm gonna add eyebrow as well to make this bunny look cuter, okay? Alright, now we are going to start making the bunny's clothes, okay? So the bunny will be wearing an overall. We're going to make a strap like this. And now we are going to make the hand, okay? The hand will be holding a carrot. So we're going to make the hand over here. And we're going to add 3 fingers, okay? Alright, and now we can add the carrot. So we're going to make another line like this. Okay, looking really good. So now let's add the leaves for the carrot. Got it? Well done. And now let's continue on making the body of the rabbit, okay? So we're gonna make a straight line over here. And we're going to make a curve over here. And this is the arm of the bunny, okay? Okay, so now let's do the other arm, okay? Yep, just like that. And now we're going to make another curve like this. Now let's make a line going down from here to here, okay? Alright, and now we're going to make a straight line and then up, okay? Your turn. Got it? Okay, so now let's make a slight curvy line, okay? Alright, now we're going to go down, straight, and then up, okay? Watch this. Your turn. Well done. So we are going to add the foot of the bunny now. Watch this. Got it? Let's add some lines on the foot, okay? Alright, now we can do the other foot. Let's add lines to that one as well. Alright, it's looking really good. Now let's add some more lines to finish this off, okay? I want to add lines to the hand and also to the carrot. The bunny can use a pocket, so let's add that. And I'm also going to add some lines just as decoration to the pants, okay? I think this bunny is looking really good, but the arm part here needs a bit of fixing. So we're going to add a little bit of line like this. I think that now looks perfect. So all that's left to do is just to color it. Yeah, let's do that. look like mine, that's okay. That's what makes it unique and special. And the most important thing is that you have fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can draw again together. Keep on smiling, keep on drawing. Hope to see